welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole Khumalo. I post fashion hauls, makeup tutorials, vlogs, you know, the likes, and if you want to see any of those, you can just click on all my other thumbnails that have me in it. And if you want to subscribe, just click on the little red button at the top or down below depending on your device. And you can also check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And I have a Facebook page. It's called Nicole Khumalo YouTube. So if you're on Facebook a lot and you want to see my videos on your feed, then just go and like the page. I think that's what you do. Yeah. Yes. So go like the page and it should show up on your feed. So today's video is a haul. So the only reason why I got some stuff is because I leave for China in a week. I got chosen with my cousin to go speak at a university in Shandong. So we're going with UJ. UJ is paying for everything. So yeah, I needed a couple of stuff for the weather. It is a little bit chillier than here. We're at like 28 degrees average. They're at like 20 degrees average. Like low is sometimes -2. So I needed a couple of stuff, and there's gonna be a lot of walking apparently, so I needed some shoes for that. But let's get in. Most of the stuff is for that, but there's some stuff that I just bought just because like the Woolworths sale was amazing. Anyway, speaking of Woolworths, let's just start with them. Just gonna grab randomly. So the first thing I got were these wedges. So I've really been into wedges lately. I did film a haul I think last week. It's not up yet, and I doubt it'll go up before this one because this sale is on right now. Like, it's currently happening. So I'd like for you to actually maybe find these things if you're looking for them. So anyway, these are what the wedges look like. They're really cute. I just wish they were like literally just like an inch taller than what they are, but alas, they're really cute. They've got this really earth tone look to them. Like, they're really cute. I really like them. Even this jean over here, you can wear them with jeans and they match perfectly. I love that they're so neutral toned. So these were okay, so these are called the Fray Cork wedge, and these were $168. That's the sale price. Original price was 400 bucks. And I got them for $168. So that's a huge save, like incredible save. And they're so cute. So yeah, I'm happy with that purchase. Next, the next thing that I got was these tights. These are by the brand OPQ. Yes, OPQ. That. So Woolworths brand, but they're called OPQ tights. These are the body sensor temperature control ones. These come in a pack of 3. There, I got them in the color, in the black, and these are in the size extra super large. Just because I don't want to struggle like at all putting on tights. I want it to be as seamless and effortless as possible. That way I'm comfortable. So this is the biggest size they come in. So extra super large. They fit beautifully. So I got these for actual China because it's quite cold. I also got these tights. Okay, now this is just for me, just for funsies. These are called the sculpting hip and thigh cycle shorts. These are seam free, and these cost 200 bucks. These tights, whew, they're from Magic Company, I think. No, they're called Magic Shapewear. Amazing. They legitimately make your stomach disappear. They smooth you out and sculpt you. You look very smooth in these. They suck you in. Do you see how small these look? Yeah, trust me. They're rough. It's rough in here, but it's held together, you know? It's a rough that has its shit together. So these are really cool. These are 200 Rand. That's normal price. They weren't on sale. I love these for wearing under dresses. I was actually looking at them, and a lady told me that she actually wears them. She buys them, and they don't show lines. She wears them with her jeans, her dresses. Like, you don't get that line that a tight would give you, which is amazing. And I can't wait to wear these, and they're super tight. And obviously, as you know, I don't like to wear things before I haul them, so that's why they're here. I really like this wig. What do you think? It's my normal wig. It's just that the, what is it called? The closure is like a free pod, so I can open it anywhere, do whatever I want, you know, all that jazz. But I was thinking of like undoing it and sewing my hair back in because I feel like it's just less work. But now that I think about it, and I, you know, I really like how I look today. I'm confused. Okay, last thing from Woolies, I think, yeah, is this. I know it doesn't look like much, but yeah, let me explain. So this is a bodysuit, and it's quite long, like it's quite long, but obviously this is only a size 16, and I believe that's the highest it goes. I don't know why, but that is the highest that it goes. And this was yes, this was 175 rand. This was on sale. I'm not sure what the original price was, but I love that it's all mesh. It's all mesh all around. And how I would wear it, obviously a 16 is like way too small for me. It doesn't clasp at the bottom. It could, but it would be very uncomfortable, so I don't clasp it. What I do is I tuck it into my jeans, and then I tuck it into my underwear. That way there's it, like it's not hanging, and then you can see it through the jean or whatever. So I would wear this with a bra underneath, and I've always wanted one of these like bodysuits that are all mesh where you can see, but it has really pretty detailing. It's backwards. Let me flip it around. Anyway, it's got this pretty like detailing, and that goes at the back as well. Oh, actually that was the back. That's how it looks. And yeah, as you can see, there's a lot more material here at the bottom for your booty. So yeah, if you're a size 16, that should fit you perfectly. And there was quite a lot. We went to Woolworths at Sanson, so yep. Moving on to Edgar's, I got a pair of bras. These are from Playtex, and these are in a 42C, which sucks because I'm a 46C, so I'm gonna need bra extenders, like the whole pack. So I'll put all 3 extensions on, because usually it comes a pack of 3, and then hopefully that's a little more comfortable. But they're really cute. They have this very cute lace detailing here on the side. It's semi-sheer. I don't know what it's got. Oh, this white net is what makes it not like all the way see-through right there. So it's got the white lining at the back. It's just a normal, simple, like really thin cup, just for support. And yeah, I got 2 of those. It comes in a black and a nude. I think this is a nude. Yeah, and those were quite expensive. Like, why am I paying so much for support? These were 400 bucks. You joking? 200 each. Okay, let's get over that one. Another thing that I got from Edgar's is this top. I feel like a shirt is a button up. Anyway, I got this top. It's from the brand Marian Hall. This is in a size 22. Why am I doing that? I'm gonna show you later. Yeah, whatever. This is in a size 22, and this was on sale for 230 rand. Original price 350. Not too bad. Then I got this shirt from the brand that they used to call Penny C, now it's called Kelso Curves. So this is in a size 18, and it's just a plain simple black tee, and it says do something good today. Do something good today. Plain black tee. I just wanted a plain black shirt that cost 250 bucks. Oh, plain black tee. Oh, the writing in the front. Okay, acceptable. The last 2 things that I got from Edgar's are shoes. So I got a pair of Converse, because, you know, who doesn't love Converse? It's just, they're magical. I got mine in a size 6, a UK 6, which is a 38. No, 39. Yeah, UK 6, and these are just the all black Chuck Taylor. Super simple, chic, like love. I have like 4 pairs of white ones. So I have 1 boots and then 3 like, what are the ankle ones called? Whatever, yeah, you know what I mean. So I got a boot black. I had one before, but I legitimately wore them out so much that I can't wear them anymore. They're just dead. They're dead. I killed the shoe. They look really bad. So had to get a new pair. I'm super excited. I want to wear them in China, but I'm also scared because these are cold. Like, you cannot put on Chuck Taylors and be like, oh yeah, it's cold outside, but they're gonna keep me warm. No, like, these are cold, okay? So I'm a little concerned, but they're really stylish and I need all those pictures. I'm gonna suffer with the gram. Last thing I got from Edgar's is a pair of Vans. These are also all black, and these are also in a size 6, UK 6, and it's these ones. I'm not sure how I feel about them. I personally don't like how they look, but my sister and my mom are convinced that they look really cool, and Vans are pretty comfortable. So they're just an all black sneaker. I needed black shoes. That's all I needed. I needed black shoes, and I decided to go for these 2 because I don't really do like Puma and Nike unless it's sneakers, and most of the tacky styles are like training shoes. So how do we feel? I don't know. I'm on the fence. I guess I'll know when I pair it with an outfit. So yep. And that is it for my haul today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Whoa, girls are coming out to play. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Be sure to check me out on my social media, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.